Alright, so I was watching on the news and I saw a guy with a Sprinter van that had some graffiti on it in LA. They had a little pizza place. Kind of felt bad for him, so I thought I'd make this quick video. A lot of times if you get graffiti on your truck and you don't want to damage the paint taking it off. Now, of course, whenever you do anything like this, you always do a sample area in an area that won't matter. So typically this will work, but it doesn't work 100% of the time. You're gonna have to do a sample area and make sure that it doesn't adhere or mess up your paint underneath. But most of the time this will work. Go to a local automotive paint supply and get some. This is an inexpensive urethane reducer. The best one probably is the medium. This is a fast. Okay, but you can get a medium. The reason you do that is because it stays on the rag a little bit longer. Go ahead and apply it to a rag and do a test sample area to make sure that it doesn't react with the finish. Have a dry rag with you immediately to try and dry it off. If it does have a reaction, do it in an area where you like underneath or something like that, where it's not going to matter if you mess up the paint a little bit. Do a test sample, and then if it works, go ahead and get your wag soaking with this product right here and just start wiping that graffiti off with one wet rag and then one dry rag, and it'll come right off. So it doesn't always work with every type of paint, but most paints this will do it. All right, so, and it usually will not mess with the undercoats. If this doesn't work, you can sample area lacquer thinner. Doesn't always work because the acetone that's in it today makes it a little bit too strong. Sometimes it does react over about a 10-minute time with the area that you put it on. So if you and it will, like if you put it on plastic or something like that, that will react to plastic. This probably won't. Again, sample area always. So also, if you have sunglasses, you get overspray on those sunglasses. This is the product I use to clean my sunglasses, like for my automotive, or not automotive paint, but for any type of paint. I could be using like oil base or something like that. A couple of weeks later, the other stuff won't take it off. You're going, man, I have to use some lacquer thinner on there. No, use urethane reducer. Okay, all right, so I'll talk to you in the next video.